Alright, today we're going to take a look at another juicy little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal black box, but it has the protective sleeve and it says Assassin's Creed. It's a nice addition they put on some of these Zippos. And this is a collector's item. There is the hologram for this edition. And it says Assassin's Creed on the back as well, made in USA. It's got that idiotic California warning on there, and it was made in Bradford, PA. So this is the Zippo Assassin's Creed, and you can see the insert also has the Assassin's Creed logo on it, which is really nice. So here is the Assassin's Creed. It's on a black matte finish with that red logo. And this one was made in January of this year, 2019. Got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Good sound. So I do have a few other Assassin's Creed Zippos in my collection. Here's another one. This is on a candy apple red base, and it was made in 2017. And the nicest one I have is a brass Assassin's Creed, and it is an armor coated. It was also made in 2017. And that's got the brass colored insert. That's a good one. Let's do a drop test on the new one. So of course this one passes the drop test easily. It's the Assassin's Creed. And being made in the USA definitely deserves a little more cowbell. Knuckle bomb.